Hello everyone! Today we will see how to make a super soft and spongy chocolate cake. To make this chocolate cake, first let's sift our dry ingredients. Place a sieve over the bowl and add some all-purpose flour or maida, and then add cocoa powder. Then add baking powder and baking soda. I have given all the ingredients list in the description box, you can check it out. Finally, add a tiny pinch of salt. Now we are going to sieve all of these dry ingredients 3 times. Then preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then take the eggs in a bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla to the eggs. Make sure the eggs are at room temperature and then start beating the eggs. Beat the eggs till it becomes nice and fluffy and foamy. The eggs will also become pale in color like this. It should be nice and foamy like this. Once it reaches this stage, switch it off and then add the sugar. I am using powdered sugar. Add the sugar little by little and beat it in. Then add some oil and milk and beat this in. Beat it slowly till it's well combined. Finally, I am adding half a teaspoon of coffee powder. This is optional. If you want, you can add this, otherwise leave it out. But this coffee will definitely enhance the flavor of this cake. So I have added it, beat it in. Now let's add the dry ingredients. Add a little by little and fold it gently. Don't overmix the batter and don't deflate the air that we've incorporated. Gently mix it in. There should not be any leftover dry flour. Use a spatula and check if there's any dry flour left over. Now let's transfer this into prepared cake tins. I'm using 2 8 inches cake tin. You can use 9 inches also. Or you can transfer this into 3 8 inches cake tin also. I'm using 2. Grease the tin and line it with a parchment paper or butter paper so that the cake will come out easily without sticking to the tins. Transfer the batter evenly into both the cake tins. Tap the cake tins on the counter a few times to remove any air bubbles. And then these are ready to be baked in the preheated oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Each oven is different. In my oven, it took only 25 minutes for both the cakes to be baked perfectly. Put a toothpick or a skewer in the center of the cake. If it comes out clean, then it is done. Otherwise, bake for a little longer. Wait for the cakes to cool for about 15 to 20 minutes and then you can remove it from the tin. Once you remove the cake from the tin and the cake has cooled down completely, you can trim off the top layer of each of the cake. So this is it, a super soft, spongy and moist chocolate cake is done. This is one of the best chocolate cake recipes. It's very soft, so it's really nice to eat. You can use this cake to frost it and make birthday cakes also. It will hold very well. Like I mentioned earlier, you can make 3 8 inch cakes out of this, or you can make 2 9 inch cakes out of this also. I hope you like this cake as much as we do. Until next time, bye bye.